I've made a decision. What decision is that, you ask? That's a good question. I am going to build a brand new PC with brand new parts, all for under $350. Not bad for my first PC build all by myself, right? Hi, my name is Amy Vishwanatha, and welcome to Techie Housewife. So right now, what I'm going to do is walk you through the parts I bought, tell you what they are and how much I paid for them. So the first thing I want to show you is this. This is an i3 10100. This is one of the cheapest 10th gen Intel processors available, and it has built-in graphics, so I did not need to buy a graphics card. How cool is that? It also comes with a stock cooler, so I did not need to worry about buying a separate cooler for this. And the best part, this only cost me $99.99. Here we have the motherboard. It is an MSI B460M. This does have built-in Wi-Fi, which many of the low-cost motherboards do not come with that. It also has two M.2 slots for faster NVMe-based SSDs. So I thought this was $99. It actually says $99, and the guy at MicroCenter, he kept saying $99. He was telling us everything else that was on sale, so he never mentioned this when we were talking about it. But this rang up for $79.99. Now, we already thought it was a good deal, but now I think it's a great deal. And we kind of kicked ourselves for not getting another one. Sometimes that just happens. However, I was still extremely happy because this helped to really keep my budget under $350. I will not be using a NVMe SSD, but I did get a 250 gig SSD. So I don't know if you can really see it from here, but I will also have a closer picture for you to look at. So like I said, this is a 250 gig SSD, and it's by Samsung. It's an 860 EVO. This was on sale for only $34.99. And I also had to get the SSD HD mounting kit, which only cost me $6.99 on top of that. And this will be used in a 3.5-inch drive bay. So next, I bought the RAM. And I went with Crucial single 8 gig DDR4 DIMM. But in hindsight, I should have picked up 2 of the 4 gigs to take advantage of the dual channel memory architecture. But I was trying to keep costs low, so I went with the cheaper one. I paid $37.99 for this. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Now, I can't run a computer without a power supply. And this one is dedicated to my friend who believes that all cheap power supplies burst into flames. You know who you are. So I took his advice and threw it out the window. And I bought a Solid Gear Basics 600 watts power supply. And I paid a hefty $24.99 for this. And while we were looking around, I was still under budget, and I happened to see that Inland had a combo of a mouse and keyboard for sale for $7.99, and I figured, why not? I'm under budget, so I went ahead and picked that up for my PC as well. So all that, I was still under budget. I could probably go pick up a couple cute little accessories if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. Here is my proof that I paid under $350. I only paid $316.63 after taxes. Now all I have to do is put this together, but that's going to be a completely separate video. I've never done this by myself. I've watched my husband do it, and I have helped just a tad bit when they've done this. But I've never done this by myself, and I'm going to completely try this by myself. I guess I better go binge watch some Linus Tech so I can see how a beginner does this. You think that would help? So keep an eye out for my video where I do actually build the PC and let's see if I survive. Well, I guess we should say, let's see if the PC survives. I did buy all of this at MicroCenter, and they are like our absolute favorite store to go into. I mean, there were so many things that were on sale. I didn't even know that the motherboard was on sale. That was a really cool surprise. So hats off, MicroCenter. If you haven't been, go check them out. They are very helpful, at least the ones I've been in. Everybody has been very helpful. They will come up, help you find anything you need, answer any questions you have. And they're just a nice store that has about everything you could hope for when it comes to tech. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for joining me today. If you can hit the share button, I would really appreciate it. Hit like, hit subscribe, and also hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload any new content. And also, make sure you have a tech-tastic day.